उड़ जब जब जुल्फे तेरी, उड़ जब जब जुल्फे तेरी, कवारियों का दिल मचले, कवारियों का दिल मचले, जिंद मेरी ये.
Still, after all these years?
Yes, after all these years.
Yes, guys, after all these years is the name of the podcast finally. So, thank you everybody who voted for it on socials. And what are we going to talk about today, Sonal?
You take a lead. Tell me what should
So
we talk about?
we were talking about whether there is love at first sight. Do you know right from the very beginning that this is the person for you? So once we knew, like after many meetings, we knew that okay, we are going to be together. And meantime, we were going to many places together. We were like having fun. We were enjoying ourselves. So you remember any of the places that we visited like together? कौन सी जगह पे गए थे हम लोग?
Of course, a lot of places. I think one of my favorite was Gom's house.
Yeah, Gom's house.
Every holiday we got, we simply booked that place and we ran there. Okay.
Sometimes even when there were no holidays. Gom's house, guys, what Sonal is saying is actually in Manori. And unfortunately now it's not operational. Something happened there. I don't know, whatever it is. Once we visited there.
I don't think our Gen Z will want to go there.
Yeah, but it was a beautiful place.
Beautiful.
A Christian family, I think, was running it. We used to travel on our Kinetic Honda, by the way, and we used to take the ferry from Marway and cross and then reach Gom's house. These were small cottages, very beautiful. And then you remember the lunch?
Yeah, I was going to tell you the same thing. For 75 rupees.
Yeah.
It is the first time I ever ate cauliflower, which is white in color,
and
bread.
Yeah.
I mean, I in my life had never combined.
So there used to be a chicken gravy. There used to be, I think, cauliflower staple, and there used to be bread. Yes. And some rice and tea and coffee.
I was worried about food at that time.
So,
I was like, okay, whatever.
Gom's house के बाद कुछ याद आ रहा है और कुछ?
Gom's house.
You remember that pizza wala at Malad?
Those were the walks we used to take, and I mean, my children don't believe me when I say that we used to actually walk from Kandivli all the way to Malad, right? Walking the entire SV road. Why? Because this pizza, there was this first stall. Generally, pizza was something that was only we found in hotel and all. So there was this stall for 15 rupees. He used to give us the pizza.
Yeah.
Right. And so cash strapped we were at that time. So we loved. But most important was the walk, right? From Kandivli all the way we would walk to Malad. This would like almost like 45, 50, 60 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
To go there and then eat that pizza and come
sometimes
back.
I don't know why we walked towards Borivali and then we came back to Kandivali and then we walked to that pizza wala in Malad. It was just opposite
each other, I think.
Just opposite Malad station. I am giving all the trivias about the places and whatever Sonal is mentioning. And
that pizza, I think nobody would even touch today. Yeah. But that pizza had.
I loved it.
No, it was like I don't think you loved it or something. It was just your bahana.
और 15 रुपए का था.
हाँ, 15 रुपए. 15 rupees का
पिज्जा था.
Still, I think we used to find it a little expensive. Yeah. But hotel mein it used to be available for 45 rupees. So this was like good. Right. And they had this cheese grated and all capsicum, even kanda. Right. That time we used to laugh also. Who puts kanda on
the Indianized version of an Italian dish. And I think Mitibai College was the best place to hang out. The canteen where I was a regular. Yeah. And
temple ki tarah you used to reach there first thing in the morning.
Yeah. So junior college, I think जब हम मिले नहीं थे, तो दैट टाइम तो हम लोग एकदम रिलीजियसली जाते थे और 5:17 की भाग के लोकल ट्रेन पकड़ते थे. मेरे मिट्टी भाई के दोस्त जो देख रहे हैं उनको याद होगा कि हम लोग 5 बजे कॉलेज छूटता था और भागते थे 17 मिनट में 5:17 की ट्रेन पकड़ते थे मिट्टी भाई.
Yeah, 5:16 and 5:18, two trains used to be together. Like so we all used to.
And after that, once I met Sonal, my attendance at college somehow became nil. But
you're correlating that to me.
But no, you were not the reason. Only reason. And
I think Mitti Bhai canteen was the reason because the
yeah.
first thing in the morning.
First thing, it was amazing food. And
Describe that part no where like first thing in the
हाँ
morning.
फर्स्ट थिंग इन द
what used to
मॉर्निंग
happen, like,
तो हम लोग जगह पकड़ने के लिए सुबह सुबह पहुंच जाते थे. इंस्टेड ऑफ रनिंग इनटू द क्लासरूम वी यूज्ड टू रन टुवर्ड्स द कैंटीन. And I remember they had this ritual. One of the waiters or the owner or something like that, they would come. There would be coffee in one cup and there would be water in one cup, and he would do that. You know, like there was a ritual they would do in front of the door. As जैसे ही डाला उसने, everybody would start rushing in, and I we used to see that every day. So and then कैंटीन was the best place where we met. The bus stop of मिठीबाई कॉलेज जो अब शायद नहीं है वहाँ जहाँ था.
There is a bus stop
But
there, but
one-
not the kind that we had.
Yeah.
Remember the rod one?
Yeah.
Where,
Yeah. So
I
there,
took a somersault kind of a thing.
Yeah.
You want to share that?
I think I don't know that I wanted to say that later on, but बोल देते अभी आज mention हो गया है तो.
बोल दो.
So I and Sonal were sitting at the bus stop, and you know पुराने टाइप का जो बस स्टॉप था वो ऐसा एक सिंगल सा रॉड होता है, एंड उसके ऊपर मैं तो कंफर्टेबली टिका के बैठा था, एंड सोनल वाज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट हैंगिंग एंड हर लेग्स आर हैंगिंग डाउन,
And
I was-
short, no? So all
I-
I was
yeah.
was high.
I was like going to about to say something like
You're not going to about to say something. You said, "I think I love you," and I'm like,
I said I think I love, and I just said love you, and I suddenly see that Sonal has vanished, and she took a roundabout on that
Yeah.
rod, and she had very long hair. That whole hair like swept through the ground, and but luckily she didn't have a fall. She came back.
so short. I would have like just.
So actually, it was like my confessing almost that I think I love you. I think turned her world upside down or whatever, literally.
Yes, I mean.
So
it
bus
was-
stop,
it
canteen.
was- that is the place this guy chooses to tell me like I love you. People take their bows to like hotel, and
So
there is so much of proposing and wooing. I was told on a busy street.
and
but
and that also I think not
he
really.
always thinks he's never sure.
Scooter parking, the bike
Huh.
parking was one of the places where we sat.
Now that they miss, these children don't have this thing now. That whole bike parking where we used to just sit, and it was free of cost sitting. And no, just take a cup of tea from that or coffee. That kaach wala coffee, you know,
Yeah.
double decker. He used to give us one
वो
kaach
ताकि
down, yeah, so
गरम
that
नहीं
hot
लगे.
नहीं होता
हाँ.
है. That coffee was
Yeah.
amazing. So we would take that coffee and go across the road, and he knew we are there. So I mean, nobody would mind that. So that was also a wonderful place.
Anand Vada Pav. at
Remember
Mithi
once
Bai.
we had rushed off to Daman all the way. We
Yes,
were adventurous people, right? I was, I think, rather foolish also. But then I took Nodha's lead. I'm like, he knows, लेके ही जाएगा कहीं अच्छा ही लेके जाएगा. So I
अच्छी जगह
think
थी, and
we sat
Daman-
in Gujarat first thing in the morning
Yeah.
at 6 o'clock, and we went all the way to
Daman
Daman.
was a beautiful trip,
Yeah.
and coincidentally, we stayed at a Parsi outlet.
Yeah.
पता नहीं क्या था, एक ओल्ड अंकल से
It was
थे.
a hotel down there, and like
और
bedding
उन्होंने
up
हमें एक
there.
रूम दिया, and I think for lunch there was dhansa.
Amazing dancer. I've
And it
never
was
eaten
amazing
that
dancer.
dancer again.
Yeah, and then by evening, night we were back home from Daman.
Nobody would know all these escapades.
I
Only
remember-
you and I would know that ये करके हम
Yeah.
वापस आ रहे हैं.
I remember one extraordinary trip was that we were going somewhere with our another couple friend, and
Pats Bungalow.
no,
No,
we were
Kelve,
going.
Kelve.
No, Kelve was not the destination.
नहीं,
So we were
destination
going.
केलवे नहीं था.
We
सफा
were
ले जा रहे
going
थे हम
somewhere, and because that guy had suggested some place, and we were sitting all four of us together and just talking. And the office goers, they asked us, "Where are you all going?" So we said, "We are going whatever the place we mentioned." They said, "अरे उधर मत जाओ, उससे अच्छा तुम केलवे बीच जाओ, उधर बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब couples के लिए बहुत अच्छा है." And then we literally went to. It was not in the plan. We just got down at Kelve Road.
थे. ऐसे
and-
उतर गए थे. And we actually went to a hutment.
Yeah, and these were.
No
I
resort,
think
nothing.
we could call it a homestay today, because that was like somebody's home, and they had those small, like, you know, it was just like a jhopdi, and the food was good again.
You
And,
remember the bangan thing, that bangan bhaja? We
Right,
still eat today.
right.
Every time I eat, I remember of that. And they had a
Right.
beautiful hammock. Remember the afternoon sleep we had in
So
the hammock?
imagine what we are talking about. We're talking about bangan bhaja, like people today are talking about matcha and coffee dates. We're talking about
Bangan bhaja.
Bengan
And
bhaja
that also
and
some
Anand's
Maharashtrian lady had
sandwich and
made
Mittai
there, no?
college.
Yeah, they had made it there only.
Yeah.
And this room was so tiny, and then there was a hammock, and I and Nozu literally fell asleep hugging each other in that hammock
Yeah.
for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
I think we lived in a very pure.
While the other couple was in that jhopri.
doing whatever they were doing.
Okay.
But we were sleeping out. We enjoyed the hammock part.
Right.
And I think our generation was blessed to not have mobiles because
Actually.
our parents could never track us, could
Even
never
if
know
they
what
wanted
we
to.
were up to the
Yeah.
whole day. And we were very like nice children. We would come back.
Yeah.
Nobody would know what did we do the whole day.
Right.
But our parents also trusted that wherever these idiots will go, these monkeys will go. They
चारा
will
ही नहीं था
return
ना
home.
पर कुछ कांटेक्ट
Yes.
करने का. And then one of my very good neighbors, Pat's Bungalow. We used to call it Pat's Bungalow. It was not actually
That
called.
was also a very
But
amazing. place.
it was a very good bungalow, and I used to, of course, go with my friends there once or twice. As a family, also we had been there. I don't know if that place is there, but that's the place which we have very fond memories of.
Absolutely.
Once I think my friend asked for it, and then he was found doing some objectionable things, and then I think they stopped giving that place.
Yeah, they did. But I think that was the place
But
where I
thank you
made
very
the
much for
first
those
butter
memories.
chicken. I shaved Nozu for the first time. That we have a photograph. Yes.
Sure.
And I gave him a cut, I suppose. But those are the kind of things that we did.
I think we have a photograph of that. We'll
yes,
share
we
it.
do. When we went to the beach and we made this big heart.
Yes,
And we were
right.
sitting
And we were
inside
sitting
it.
in that hut.
Yes.
Right. And
Many years ago.
I remember one more thing is that because Sonal naturally was a vegetarian, and it was the first time that I thought that चलो इसको मैं non-vegetarian food खिलाने ले जाता हूँ.
तभी तो मोकैम्बो में खाया
तो
था first.
मोकैम्बो में वही
हाँ.
मोकैम्बो खुश हुआ वही
Yes.
मोकैम्बो होटल. सो मोकैम्बो होटल में मैं लेके गया, और वहाँ naturally there are these days when Parsi cuisine is served. So Monday is for curry chawal and Tuesday is for dhansak and like that. And I think we had dhansak.
Dhansak.
Yeah. So
Yes.
it was the first time she was eating dhansak, even before Daman.
Yes.
So and you want to go ahead and tell what happened after that?
Okay. So, I mean, he's first time, and I'm like, yes, I love this guy, so I want to eat what he eats. So I'm eating, and I ate. But the whole this Gujarati guilt, please do not feel offended. I'm just recounting as it happened. So this whole guilt of, oh my God, I've eaten chicken. Like there inside the restaurant, the whole love for this guy was umuro, if you can forget the language that I'm using. So there I'm like, I want to eat what he eats. But the moment I come out, it's like I'm coming out of a spell. And, oh my God, I've eaten chicken. And I simply puked out everything. And this was like, it was like huge guilt that what have I done? Why did I eat this? And what is it? And he was very patient with this. It was like he should have seen it.
But see, you need to know, I mean, those who are also at this juncture in a relationship where food is a question.
Yeah.
I never asked her to have non-vegetarian.
Yeah, that's what I said. I
And
wanted to eat.
She
because-
wanted to eat by her own accord.
Yeah,
So
I'm
कोई
like, I want to
मतलब-
eat what he eats. So I
Yeah.
ate. So food was never a war on our table, even today. I think it's
Yeah.
not a war on our.
Yeah.
We eat what we want to eat. But what I'm also sharing is that he was a very gentle teacher there. I mean, he realized
Teacher?
that, okay, yeah, of course. I mean, he realized that, okay, her eating is like she's feeling very guilty.
Yeah.
So,
So then I decided that I think
Yeah.
जरा ये पारसी cuisine बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया
हाँ,
उसके लिए.
it's
So
too-
then I took her to a Chinese restaurant, and it was a Chinese restaurant that was famous with our group. So I took her there for the first time. It's called Chungfa Restaurant. It doesn't exist anymore. It was run by a Chinese couple in Malad, and many of you must have been there who are in Mumbai. And it was a beautiful, small, tiny
Small,
little,
cute
with
little
I think only
place.
4 or 5 tables.
yes.
And auntie used to actually come and sometimes serve to us. And there was just one waiter. Sometimes the
we
boys,
kind of,
her boys used to like.
started the course
Yeah,
kind
so-
of thing. First, I had chicken soup.
I think
The sweet
soup.
corn.
Yeah, and she loved the soup. Actually, after
Yeah,
that,
it
soup
was
has been her
nice.
favorite.
Tasty, absolutely. Then the burnt chili chicken.
Burnt chili
Burnt
chicken.
chili chicken was my
And
favorite.
their tomato fried rice.
Tomato fried rice.
Tomato
yes,
fried rice
tomato
was the
fried
best.
rice.
So I think I don't know what topic were we going to talk about today. We're just talking about places we have visited together,
No,
or what fun we had
yeah,
together.
we used to always talk about the first
Aren't
part.
we talking about only food?
No, we talked about going out. We
Yeah.
talked about instead of matcha, we had Bengal bhaja. Then we are talking about how I wanted to eat what you were eating, and I was so much in love with you. I still am.
Yeah.
And I am a curious person by nature, so I'm like, I want to try something.
So, does it help, like when there is a divide like this, when you fall in love with a person who is staunch vegetarian and somebody who is a non-vegetarian? Is this a problem? I mean, and you chose very comfortably to
Yeah.
eat non-vegetarian, and in a way, sometimes I see, like today we had I had made fish and chips. So actually, I saw her relishing the fish today. So it's like you can develop a taste for it, but कैसे handle करना चाहिए? If suppose somebody who is there today in that kind of a situation and watching it, तो last time तो आपने जवाब दे दिया था as a person in love, but today as a psychologist or maybe a coach, what
Oh
do
my
you think,
God.
Sonal? I mean,
no.
just
Like, we live in this era of cancel culture, so it's so scary to even talk about anything.
yeah,
All I will share is what I did and what
Right.
I feel
right.
and how it has helped me.
तो करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए वो अपना एक individual
हाँ,
choice है.
it is that is how I started. You see, even if naturally when I'm recounting this,
Hmm.
I didn't say you asked me to eat or you took me to
Yeah.
whatever. I said I wanted to eat
Yeah.
what he eats.
And it did make things comfortable once we got married, because
yeah.
then still people on my side kept asking her, तुम्हारे लिए स्पेशली वेज बनाया है, would you like to? अरे बाबा वो बोल, she has said that no, I eat non-veg.
Yeah, so the point is like I was also really clear about thinking I have graduated, I have not post-graduated in non-veg.
Yeah.
As in, I would eat chicken, I would eat egg, I would eat fish, mutton or pork or whatever was totally off the table.
Pork we didn't eat.
I
anyways.
tried once. No, I've tried once with you in Chongfa only, but I did not like it.
Yeah, so it's a matter of your liking.
I am
but-
even if you're asking this question for anybody who's there, number one, don't make food a war on your table. Never do that.
Yeah.
Right? For me, when I started eating this, it became a very inclusive thing. It became like a thing for Noza to, okay, let me introduce her to this.
Yeah.
In the same vein, I was also introducing.
It's almost like if, say for example, one of the partners loves bungee jumping and the other person is shit scared, but still एक मतलब ये होता है कि चलो let's try together something. So I think food should just be taken like an adventure. I mean, और अच्छा लगा तो करो, नहीं अच्छा लगा तो दूसरी बार bungee jumping मत करो.
You try and you create a preference that okay, I like this, so I'm eating it. I don't like this, so I'm not eating it. Don't make it like a moral choice.
Yeah, and luckily for me, I had a Gujarati friend. And so I used to have khichdi and ringan batata and saag and everything. So मैंने तो सब खाया था.
Yeah, जितना प्यार से I ate dhan saag. I think you also ate the how do you say Bengal bhaja or khichdi or dal rice that my parents used to make, the liquid dal and all that.
Right.
So economically, let me joke once. It's like one dhan saag means my half month dal is gone.
It's a thick dal, so
because when Gujus make dal, it's like
it's
one bati dal and very lot of water and lot of other
lots
things.
of dal and very thick dal.
But the moment
and by the way,
is gone.
You should tell that you cook very good dhan saag as well.
I cook very good dhan saag. I make very
and I also make very good khichdi and ringan batata. In fact, I make very good undiyo also.
He doesn't know how to make chapatis. That's one thing.
Yeah,
but it's a standing debate. Like I don't know to drive well, and he doesn't know to
I
make
think हम लोग
chapatis
बहुत
well.
फास्ट फॉरवर्ड हो गए. मतलब हम लोग कहाँ पहली बार क्या क्या कर रहे थे मस्ती, और वहां से हम present tense में.
But वो time पे वो choices we made are impacting us today, no?
Yes.
Food is not a war in our house.
That is
our
true.
children again eat both the things.
That is
like
true.
in the morning they get maa ka pyar, in the evening they get dad ka pyar. Like morning is good Gujarati meal, proper dal, chawal, sabji, chapati and things like that. Lapsi and kansar, then kheer thrown in someday. And in the evening it's all Thai curry and again like say yesterday for dosa I made chutney, and from that chutney he made fish Thai curry. So I mean it's a confluence.
Right.
And the more we kind of integrate, happier we are, and everybody is. So I think that is how we were talking, that the choices we made at that time have impacted us today, even after like 30, 40 years. Yeah, we're just almost touching 40 years of knowing each other.
Right.
So, yeah. You want to become serious, I'm willing to. What?
No, I was actually just, I just remembered that it's wonderful that people are even commenting under our podcast. So I wanted to read out 2 comments. Okay, so I had them here, so I was like trying to recollect ke kaun tha. So there's this comment from Ranjita Kulshrestha. Say hi to Ranjita. Hi Ranjita. I am pakka fan of both of you. Wow, loved your conversation. Thank you Ranjita. More coming up. Please keep loving us. Uh, Twinkle Pandya wrote, I will listen to it before sleeping tonight. Wow, your story has been one keeping us believing in love
Yes, I think.
and really believe in love.
Yes,
Yeah, like
she's
we.
one of our students who's grown up,
Yeah, so
grown
she's
in her
seen us.
teenager years,
Yeah.
seeing us fight over a cup of tea
Right,
also
right.
on a red pen,
Right.
Dakkan also, and they have listened to our stories
So,
in our workshops that we used to
Adding to
conduct.
that, what Twinkle said, that believing in love, yeah, we also make kind of a lot of effort to keep believing in love. Like we just had a fight yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah, day
We are
before
forever
yesterday.
fighting.
And 2 days the fight went on, and
You
we were,
sulked.
but we are still shooting today.
You were sulking. He was sulking even before the shoot, and for
I
20
sulk-
minutes he was
I sulk well.
trying to fix this camera and the light
okay.
and the background.
And what
and
about your
whatever.
hair? What about your hair?
It
That
was
is
wet.
half an hour for. This is a impromptu podcast. Yeah, we're just chatting.
But with wet hair, I
Just,
cannot think.
I mean, just see the background. Yeah, पीछे तेरा कुछ bricks है, मेरे पीछे कुछ blue wall है.
But
It's
people
just.
are listening to us.
Yeah, but
People
we are
are not
coordinated.
listening
Yeah, we are pink.
Yeah,
pink.
we
I don't know
are.
what is this. Peach color.
I think this is peach.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so let's not meander. Coming back. So if you all have some, yeah, please write, comment, keep showering your love on us. And और क्या बोलना है? अच्छा हाँ, एक बहुत जरूरी बात थी.
हाँ, ये सारे
जब एडवेंचर्स हो रहे थे,
हाँ.
सो सोनल तो बिंदास अपने पापा को बोल के आती थी कि मैं जा रही हूँ नोजर के साथ फलाना फलाना जगह पे. शायद जगह नहीं बोलती थी.
जगह नहीं बोलती
हाँ,
थी.
बट
because
बोलती
हमको
थी कि
मालूम
I'm
कहाँ था.
going with नोजर.
I'm with Nozar. That my father knew.
But the big but is I never said this to my family or my parents. किसी को भी कन्फाइड नहीं किया था. भैया मेरे को तो बहुत डर लगता था कि मैं बोलूं नहीं बोलूं. मैं बोल रहा था मैं दोस्तों के साथ जा रहा हूँ. फट्टू तो फट्टू बोल दो भाई. तो so it's like there used to always be like सोनल के वहाँ सोनल और हमारे टाइम पे तो मोबाइल नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. there's no way you can contact or you can come to know or anything like that. So ऐसा है कि like कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है. What do you see it? How did you perceive it that time? Now we may perceive it differently, but at that point of time when I told you, you used to keep asking me घर पे did you say anything? So I said no, I don't want to say it. I can't say it. So how did you perceive it at that point of time?
I was too much in love to perceive anything. I was
Okay.
like, मजा करते चलो. But
Okay.
yeah, the back of the mind, today I believe the same thing I was believe that time. I can do what I can do. So I told my parents. I didn't want to lie. I didn't want to have that heavy thing on my head. So I'm like, I'm going. And my father had like told when I was 19 that I'm in love with this guy, and when I finish my education, I will marry him. I don't
Right.
want you to know from somebody else that Amit आपकी लड़की को देखा. So I was clear. And I didn't really care so much about my mother's approval. Even if I fight, I'm like, okay, I'm going out.
Right.
So,
see, in
I didn't bother with like, because also we had an incident. I think that is why probably I never asked you, because I had known. Remember, you would want to tell about that incident,
what?
like your mother coming to my place at 6
Yeah,
in the
so,
morning.
नहीं, तो,
Just the third month of our friendship.
So I was going to mention that, but before that I wanted to mention कि ये कि I don't know how you are saying that you did not you were too much in love to perceive it, but आज जब मैं उसको देखता हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं यार, I was an adult and as an adult मुझे हक है कहीं भी जाने का, किसी के साथ भी जाने का. ये पता नहीं अवेयरनेस नहीं था तभी, या सच्ची में हिम्मत नहीं थी अपने आप को असर्टन आई मीन यू नो असर्टिवली असर्ट करने का पेरेंट्स के सामने, या
So you would be inviting too much of drama also.
yeah, so you are expecting
that,
you are expecting कि कुछ ना कुछ तो ये होगा, बोला चली होगा and all that, so you wanted to avoid it. What I'm saying is at least that awareness it grew over a period of time. Today we talk so many things openly. We like yesterday only actually my eldest son who is 24 and he asked on WhatsApp that I'm staying back at my friend's place a female friend, and
Is it okay?
is
He
it
actually
okay?
asked for permission.
And actually, I and Sunil unanimously wrote that you are an adult, you don't need to ask us. And it was all like, I mean, they were like, we were sharing memes and stuff like that. But today in retrospect, today when I am seeing this, यार यही सेम चीज मुझे भी कोई बोलने वाला होना चाहिए था. So it मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभी भी there are kids who still are not able to assert that they are adults. यार तुम 18 साल के, 19 साल के, 20 साल के बच्चों को ये क्यों बता रहे हो कि उनको क्या करना है? हाँ, कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं अलग बात है. किसी दोस्त के साथ जाना चाह रहे, why should you stop them? Even if that person loves somebody, why should you stop them? Right? तो ये I think नहीं था तभी. Thankfully होते होते
I
हुआ.
think even parents just asking the parents also that, I mean, it's this awareness even you have now today because you went through that, you are transcending it, you are learning from it, and so you are able to tell your son make your own choices. Why do you need to ask me? Right? So that means in a way you have also let go of that control over what should happen to my son's life or how will I design my son's life.
Yeah.
There are some parents who didn't learn this part. I would really want to talk to those parents or tell them. Again, you said a very important thing that, why do you want to tell them even if they are doing something wrong? But who will decide this is wrong
Yeah,
or this
exactly.
is right? Yeah, so if the children want, this is the time they want to explore. They want to understand. I think we saw a film just now. Though
Which
it was
was
a very
that?
funny and stupid film, but I
What?
like what Madhavan said. That even if she does something
अच्छा,
wrong,
दे दे प्यार
can
दे
I
तो.
support her in that moment? Because you are the rock solid, how do you say, support of your children.
Yeah.
Your children will explore the whole world, but they will want to come back in your lap. Are you there? Or is it conditional? That only if you listen to me, then only I will let you come back and have my love. I think parental love needs to be a little unconditional.
Right.
That we always say, I don't want you to make the mistakes that I made. I'm like, hell no, go make the mistake that I made.
And
So that
naturally,
way you will have a direct experience.
on hindsight, when you think about it, I mean, अगर मेरे में वो अवेयरनेस नहीं थी या मेरे में वो हिम्मत नहीं थी, तो इमेजिन अपने पेरेंट्स तो कौन से मतलब सदी से आ रहे थे. सो उनके लिए तो ये सारी चीजें थी नहीं. लाइक यू राइट नाउ रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ दैट वन टाइम व्हेन my mom walked into your house even before we had fallen in love, or even we were
What about it?
we were not even thinking about it. We had just met a few times
3 months.
and 3 months, and my mom even told me ki I followed you with one of my friends to college one day. Just imagine. मतलब आज तो हम कितनी सारी बाउंड्रीज की बात करते हैं. बाउंड्रीज इज समथिंग दैट वी टॉक सो ओपनली नाउ टुडे, एंड उस जमाने में बाउंड्रीज भूल जाओ यार. कुछ बात कोई भी किधर भी घुसे आ रहा है अपनी जिंदगी में.
She came 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
That is such a worst time to come in Rawal Khandan because everybody's sleeping.
Yeah.
Nobody's awake.
And at our place, getting up early in the morning.
Nobody even thinks that early. Okay.
Yeah.
And the first thing she has come and she's telling my mom and dad that please tell your daughter to tie a rakhi to my son.
Yeah.
Like as if that is going to change the way.
And it had already happened before. Huh? Let me tell you that. I don't know if Sonal के साथ मैंने share किया है कि नहीं. हाँ, I mean, let's not take names. But I had a friend, a building friend. Of course, may her soul rest in peace. She is not there anymore. But we used to take walks in the compound and just talk, friendly talk, nothing else. We are just friends. And not the friends kind of friends, just really friends. And I came to know that my mom went to her house and told her grandmother that they cannot take walks like this. Everybody in the building would be talking about something like that. Boundaries keep.
Yeah, but I would also want to see
so
compassionately
that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
there was pressure on your mom also. You were like the only son.
Yeah.
So there was pressure on your mother that he should bring.
No, so what I was also telling is that actually they came from an era जहाँ boundaries मतलब I mean 6 children in the same house, एक कमरे में 6 बच्चे पल रहे हैं. अब कहाँ से बाउंड्रीज का पता उनको होगा यार, कैसे पता होगा. सो आई थिंक स्टिल वी आर इन अ बेटर वर्ल्ड वेयर अवर किड्स एक्चुअली, और मे बी एटलीस्ट वी आर अवेयर एज पेरेंट्स, एंड आई थिंक पेरेंट्स शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. एंड एक बाउंड्रीज के बियॉन्ड आई थिंक नहीं उनको जाना चाहिए. एंड अब तो it's like
Yeah, I mean, every
years.
parent also needs to know that after a certain age, it is not your, how do you say, job, destiny, work to design their life. We normally say we have raised them, so we have to do this. But yes, you raise them up to a certain point. But there are certain areas where, as parents, we should not venture.
But actually, a बहुत funny incident था because my mother reached her house early in the morning, and they have a habit of sleeping till 10 o'clock in the morning. So उनके लिए तो शॉक था कि भाई कौन आ गया है और क्यों आया है, मतलब कोई आइडिया. एंड आई हैव नो आइडिया this is happening right now simultaneously. I'm probably trying to leave for college or whatever, and I come to know from Sonal later on this thing, and somehow my first reaction was, okay, let us
break the relationship.
break
Let's
the
not
whatever
make a
relationship we had, means it
Yeah.
was just friendship, we were beginning to be friends, and I said let us not be friends. And again, so ना मेरे पेरेंट्स को पता था बाउंड्री के बारे में, ना ही मुझे पता था कि मैं अपने राइट्स असर्ट कर सकता हूँ, और उनके ये बोलने के वजह से मुझे अपना रिलेशनशिप गिव अप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड द सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद माय अदर फ्रेंड एज वेल बिफोर सोनल, जिसके साथ मैं वॉक लेता था. आई टोल्ड हर ओके लेट्स नॉट टेक अ वॉक, which is not correct, which is not right. So वो एक तरह से एक जरूरी है at this, I mean, if you are in that place and right now facing the same issues and going through this thing in your relationship, अपने आप को assert करना, if you are an adult, it's very very essential.
Also, give up nahi karna. Like, you were so ready to give up on
Exactly.
the relationship.
Exactly.
But I think I also had a very different kind of, not exactly support, I would say, but that day, like, when she's sitting there and telling that, tell your daughter to tie Rakhi, and my mother is half sleepy. My mother half sleepy is a very is no was like everybody's soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
But my mother is नहीं, हम ऐसे सब में नहीं मानते, हम लोग ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. So in a way, she was like kind of helping me decide that, oh no, I cannot ask my daughter to do this. And then it so happened that your mother went, and after some time, few seconds, she came back to check the aftermath. And the only aftermath at that time was my father was like, "Chalo, wapas so jate." That's the only thing my father told me. My father didn't shout, how do you say, get angry or ask me anything. He was like, let's go back to
I
sleep.
think as parent, if they like today, if I'm a
I
parent,
think that helped.
it makes me aware that okay, instead of like going to somebody's house and telling them what to do, it's rather better that I talk
Have
to
a
my child.
conversation. Yeah.
I talk to my son and ask him कि भैया क्या है, rather than just jumping onto a conclusion, because I think sometimes वो रिश्ता शायद आगे जाके हो भी नहीं, because हमारे केस में तो हुआ, but it may so happen that that relationship may never last. So yeah, तो ये थी कहानी. अब तक
Yeah, but I think वो जमाने में एक mindset भी था कि a
Yeah.
girl and a boy means they are always
always going to have
getting
end up
married.
into a relationship.
Yeah, relationship and
एक
sex and then
लड़का और
marriage.
लड़की कभी दोस्त नहीं
I
हो
yes,
सकते.
सूरज बरजाते, I swear if I meet
नहीं,
you, no,
सूरज
yeah.
बरजाटिया नहीं, ये तो कोई और पिक्चर का था. बट यस, इवन सूरज बरजाटिया डिड अ लॉट ऑफ हार्म, जो हम बाद में
हाँ,
बात करेंगे.
yes, we will.
हम साथ साथ है
Oh
का
my
क्या
God.
असर हुआ हमारी जिंदगी ऊपर.
Yes, we will talk about
Okay.
it. But-
Anyways, both our moms, we love you wherever
Yes,
you are
we
in
do.
heaven.
Yes.
ठीक है, वो बाउंड्रीज का जमाना नहीं था. आई विश दैट यू ऑल वर मच अवेयर एंड यू
But
वर
now
मच
that we are
अवेयर.
parents, we
But
do
now,
understand.
yes, we have learned from your mistakes and we
But
are
we
trying
do
to do better
understand
than
also.
parents.
Like, I know that now I'm a mother of 2 sons,
Ah.
and how it feels.
Yeah.
How it feels when a new girl enters the orbit. Of
Right.
course, I don't go around telling what my son should do.
Right.
We rather check with our sons what is your status.
पर
How much
होता है,
you like.
मतलब पता चलता है.
हाँ,
अभी
but
के.
I
Yeah.
know that whole feeling, even now when my sons go and they don't return till like middle of the night, I understand what my parents would have gone through.
So what Sonal is trying to essentially say is that क्या होता है
Circle of
कि
life.
when you are in 18, 19, 20 years of age, तो तभी you are like in the prime of your life enjoying, तभी अपने माँ बाप को समझना थोड़ा सा
Difficult.
मुश्किल भी होता है.
मुश्किल है.
बट व्हेन यू बिकम पेरेंट्स, अब जब ब्लड प्रेशर की गोलियां खा
Yes.
सुबह उठ के थायरानॉम खा रहे, तो फिर देन यू रियलाइज दैट नॉट ओनली वर अवर पेरेंट्स बैटलिंग दोज थिंग्स, बट दे वर आल्सो बैटलिंग सो मेनी हेल्थ इश्यूज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, एंड इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट. to understand.
The thing is that
And,
today there is so much of Instagram talk, or maybe
Yeah.
a lot of speeches and articles around these boundary setting, around this to tell us that we are being right or wrong or explore. वो ज़माने में
और वो जमाने में सिर्फ क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी
that, oh my god,
television,
oh god,
Indian television,
that
guys,
was
sorry,
also a
you
big culprit.
ruined so many families.
Yes, you did.
In our like the part that actually the topic that was today that we were talking about कि कहाँ हम गए, तो हमारा साथी था काइनेटिक होंडा.
Kinetic Honda.
सो जो
I want to buy a bike again. You're not
मेरे
telling
फादर
me.
ने मुझे दिलाई थी काइनेटिक होंडा. किसी ने मुझे ये प्रॉमिस किया था कि उसमें तो 16 साल की उम्र में भी लाइसेंस मिल जाता है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली नहीं मिला था, तो मैं यहाँ वहाँ चलाता था बिना लाइसेंस के. और जब मैं 18 का हुआ था तो मैं लाइसेंस लेके सीधा मीठे भाई कॉलेज गया था. एंड सोनल को मैंने उसके घर पे छोड़ा था काइनेटिक होंडा पे. एंड उसके बाद हम लोग काइनेटिक होंडा पे बहुत घूमते थे. आई थिंक दाना पानी
My core memories, Francis School के पास बोरीवली में एक बार गए थे. It
हाँ,
rained,
yeah.
and you were singing
Sorry,
"My
yeah.
Heart Is Beating."
हाँ.
You can sing.
My heart is beating, keeps on repeating. I'm waiting for you.
I remember he was wearing
Young birds are
blue
me,
strips.
something like that.
हाँ, young birds are meeting. Blue strip का आपका shirt था, and
Stripe.
it was raining, it was pouring,
Right.
and there was no helmets at that time. I'm sorry, we are
Helmet
talking
पहन के
about
चलाया
a
करो.
lot of breaking of rules in
Yeah.
that, but this is
90s,
1990s.
guys.
We are talking
Different
about.
era.
Yes, but that is my core memory on Kinetic Honda. Of course, a lot of others, like I have been on his Kinetic Honda when he came to leave me for my exam, so I'm like on his back putting my paper
I
and studying.
made her sandwiches
Yes.
for her break.
Yes, always. He would be ready with a sandwich and
And I feel like hearing that when I brought sandwiches, what did your friends say?
yeah, I remember though that college के time में exam चल रहा है, and then that between two exams I'm sitting, MA का exam है, and I'm like, there's girl and you know what? You're so lucky. Your boyfriend stands out, and every day he's bringing food for you. You are so goddamn lucky. My boyfriend would never do that for me.
Wow.
And that is even my head of the department of psychology told me, Sonal, this man, the way she went, this man is so good. He waits for you every day out of the class. Please don't leave him. Please marry him. So here is for you, Dr. Shamasha. I have married Nozer. I am with him from 28 years, and I'm following your orders. Not
And thank you
to
for the
leave him.
shifarish.
Not to leave him, although many days I have wanted to, but I have
Yeah.
kept. This
Just
is
2 days
you have
back
to
we
thank
wanted
my
to leave each
professor.
other.
Oh no. Where will we go? That is a big question. That should be an episode in itself one day.
True.
That if you open this door and go, like, where will we go?
So
We go
today's
back.
song I think is My Heart Is Beating
Yes, my heart is beating. Yeah.
on that Kinetic Honda.
Yes.
And yeah, we have already shot 38 minutes of
Oh
an
my
episode
god.
again.
Oh my god.
Wow, lovely. So this is how the conversations are going to be, guys. It's
Yes.
just going to be, tell us, do you want us to shoot in our home here in Mumbai? Or did
Lovedale.
you like the previous episode in Lovedale? So we'll shoot in Lovedale. And
And we want to hear your stories also. Like, share your
yeah.
stories.
So
I'm
if
sure.
if currently you are in love, in a relationship, situationship, whatever you call it these
Whatever
days,
ship you are sailing,
So,
share with us.
if you have, I don't know, questions, you just want to share something, and if there was something insightful in our conversation,
हाँ,
something offending, just
भूल जाओ यार.
ignore it.
Forget.
But अगर कुछ अच्छा लगा, दिल को लग गया तो बोलो यार.
like, yeah, see those incidents that happened. Like at that time, they felt very painful to us.
Yeah.
When we were 18 and 19.
Yeah.
But over a period of time, we learned to see them compassionately, differently. That each one of us reacts or responds from our own mindsets, or what we have been taught, or what we are surrounded, our own fears. So share those incidents with us also. No censorship. Instead of thinking and viewing of some incidents as painful, they should be buried. Don't bury them, share them. The moment you share them, you learn from them, you release them. Yeah, so that's my take on them. And go out with your husband. I'm going to ask him, please take me out somewhere. He just doesn't now take me
Where
out.
do you want to go today?
See, he never used to ask me that, where do you want to
Oh,
go?
अच्छा.
So
अच्छा,
many
तो-
years back.
अच्छा, by the way, do you know Kinetic Honda फिर से आ रहा है?
तो खरीदो.
Let's buy it.
Yeah. God willing.
God willing, Kinetic Honda is coming back, and God willing, if कोई एपिसोड में हम शायद Kinetic Honda पे भी शूट करें.
हाँ, तू आवाज होता होगा तू लेके नहीं जाएगा
And
शूटिंग करने में.
we should go to Mocambo.
Okay, but it's still there.
Yeah, Mocambo restaurant is still there.
चलो, let's
Yeah,
go.
we should go there and shoot.
Then eat
something.
dancer can see what happens to me.
Now nothing will happen. Now
Then
nothing
then it will be their cooking, not me.
Right.
Then उनका खाना ये होगा. But I thought
So-
we should try.
Yeah. So what is your favorite place out of all the places that we went to?
मुझे पूछ रहे हो?
Yes, Daman, Danapani Beach. What are the places that Gomes House, Pets Bungalow,
Gomes House.
Gomes House. Yeah,
Gomes House,
fond
anyway.
memories.
Gomes House.
And
I love
I also loved Gomes House very much.
Even
very
the Daman thing was good like that.
Ah, but that was
Kelve
one
भी
side.
अच्छा
Kelve
था.
was
Nice and adventurous, but Gomes House. Any day
Gomes House.
Yes.
And the bus stop.
The early morning Dhanapani rides on
Rides,
Kinetic
yeah,
Honda,
yeah,
they were
yeah.
also very good.
Danapani Beach isn't any safe now.
Now,
Please
please
don't
don't
go
go,
there as
please don't.
couples.
Yes.
But at that point of time, it was pristine and beautiful.
I do feel sad for couples today. Don't think they don't have any place to go.
Actually, that is what I was going to bring this whole
हाँ.
discussion to. यार अगर बॉम्बे में किसी को मुंबई में किसी को कहीं जाना है कपल को, तो मॉल्स, कॉफी शॉप के अलावा क्या है? मतलब वेयर डू यू गो गाइस? प्लीज लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. वेयर डू यू गो?
हाँ, बीच भी अच्छे नहीं रहे यार अभी तो.
So where do you go? Let
Where
us
do
know.
they go?
Let us know. Coffee shops.
होटल में बिल भरते रहते हैं
What do
बच्चे.
you all do together? Something like pottery class, or I mean whatever. I don't know. Tell us in the
हाँ,
comments.
मटर गश्ती कैसे करते हो? आवारागर्दी कैसे करते हो? Tell us.
Right,
We used to go to eat pizza. So what you all do?
right. So after all these years,
After all these years.
this is episode 2. I am Nozer,
I'm Sonal.
and we'll see you again in episode 3.
Yes. And
Probably
please forgive
in
us if
Lovedale.
we said something that landed on your cancel culture. We are from 90s. We are allowed.
Right. And this is uncut. It is unfiltered. There is no editing. So
माफ कर दो यार.
this is how we are.
Yes, this is how we are.
Bye bye.
Bye.